Welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to set up a multiple display system using just one PC and stream it to another laptop or even your phone. Just a quick reminder before we start. Make sure all your devices are connected to the exact same Wi-Fi network or access point. Let's get started. We are starting here on our host PC. First, we need to download and install a virtual display driver. We will be getting this software directly from its GitHub page. And there we go. It is now successfully installed on our system. Next up, we need to download and install Sunshine, which will act as our host server. Now that it's installed, let's open up Sunshine. Before we can use it, we need to secure it by setting up a password. You can leave the default username as it is. Let's log into the web interface. Just enter the username and password you created a moment ago. Now let's move over to our client device. The first thing we need to do here is download the Moonlight application. Once the download is complete, let's go ahead and install it. Great! The Moonlight application has automatically launched. Now just click on this laptop icon right here. A PIN code will pop up on your screen. Make sure to copy that numbers. Let's head back to our host PC. This is where we will input the PIN code generated by our client device. Type in your device name, we'll use PC2, and hit send. Let's switch back to our client device and try to establish a connection. Awesome! As you can see, we have successfully cloned the host PC's display. Now let's configure this into an extended display. Open up Sunshine again. Head over to the Log tab. From here, we just need to find and copy the device ID of the virtual display driver we installed earlier. Go ahead and copy that ID. Next, navigate to Configuration, and then click on Audio and Video. Look for the device ID field, and paste the code we copied right here. Don't forget to click Save. Then hit Apply to update the settings. All right, let's go back to our client device. Let's check if it successfully switches over to an extended display mode. And there it is. It is now working as an extended display. Let's test it out by dragging this Windows browser over to the other screen. Perfect. It smoothly moved to the secondary screen. That is so cool. Now let's try the exact same setup on a smartphone. Go ahead and install the Moonlight app on your phone. And just like that, we are connected. Let's try dragging our browser window to our phone screen this time. Look at that, it moved perfectly. Let's also see if we can fully control the host PC using the phone's touchscreen. Wow, this is working flawlessly. Incredible! And that wraps up our video for today. I really hope this tutorial helps you out with your tech setup. If you love DIY tech projects and practical tutorials like this one, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.